Okay guys, so in today's video I am going to introduce you to a technique that will enable you to create your own advertisements and campaigns, and this will communicate with your product in a way that will significantly increase your CTR, and especially when we are focusing on how to create high quality ads with the CTR rate. So we will be using three main tools basically in it. One is our Google Ads Transparency Center, which will help us in competitive analysis, and then we will be using Chatgpt, Delhi, and then Midjourney. Okay. So how we'll start is that we'll take a top company like Microsoft to see what kind of ads they are running. Okay. So we'll go and take Microsoft in the Google Ads Transparency Center. So for that, it's quite easy. You just have to type in the name of the company, Microsoft, and this will show you what quality of ads or what quantity of ads they are running. Okay, so these are the ads running. I will filter it as per email. Yeah, so this is the ad basically. Apps to manage. So being in the ad industry, this ad is quite generic, but what we'll do is we'll go and we'll ask ChatGPT to give us some analysis on this particular ad. Okay, so yeah, the ad, after auditing, ChatGPT gave me some positives. We will focus on the negatives, and the thing which I want to focus is that ad could be seen as generic, not addressing specific user needs, just differentiating Microsoft 365 from its competitors. Now these particular negatives came up with some ideas because I asked, okay, can you address this issue? So it gave me some highlights like highlighting the unique features, customer testimonials, case studies, address specific user needs. This is the very important section, and from there only I built my ad. So use case scenarios, and you have to take the pain point and special offers of the bundle as per the product, you know. So these were some of the ideas, structured ideas which ChatGPT gave me instantly, which will take you hours of work to generate. So this is the beauty of AI. So I took two messaging, one this and one other, and then after some exercise I was able to give ChatGPT a prompt which is experience. I took the communication from the AI itself, okay, which is experience seamless collaboration with Microsoft Teams and real-time document editing in my Word and Excel. So this is quite a lucrative feature which will cover most of the apps. And then I asked ChatGPT to create an ad with this particular single communication with minimalistic guidelines. This is something which it came up with. Now you can easily compare with this with what they have done over here, and you are intelligent enough to see which communication is better. Now then I went to the other part, other segment which I took was sign up today and get 1 TB storage. Again, create a minimalistic ad. So there was nothing complex in this particular system. I just took the communication or the idea which AI gave me, and I asked the AI to create an image for me which would be communicating that particular thing, whatever you want to, in a proper manner in the form of image, and this is what I got. Again, compare this. If we are selling and focusing on one single app, see the communication and compare it with what they have created, the team of professionals has created. Now you are getting exposure how to build upon your own concept, your own ads, and which is the most complex part in ad creation, which right now AI is solving. I took a step ahead and I went to Midjourney, and imagine Midjourney what it gave me. So I just gave one command to Midjourney: sign up today and get 1 TB OneDrive storage free for a year. Create a minimalistic ad. The same prompt which I used for the ChatGPT. See the quality of the ad which has been created by Midjourney. Of course, the designer will work on it, and it will create a more sophisticated version of it. But the point is, you have the idea in front of your eyes with the proper communication. Imagine you have to just sell a product without any clue how to start communicating to the target audience. That problem is solved within what? I think this video is maybe 5 to 6 minutes long, and if you will do it by yourself, it will not take you more than an hour. So this was my 2 cents in which I use few tools to give you a formula how you can create a highly convertible ad. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming up with these kind of analysis in future also. And thanks for your time. Wait for my next video.